Here I am wearing my cosmic cat apron that my daughter-in-law gave me for Christmas. How cute is that thing? I love it. And I am getting ready to use up some stuff out of my freezer. So I've got a couple homemade pizza doughs raising there. And I've got some leftover barbecue chicken I'm thawing out to put on one of those. Then I will be pulling out sliced peppers from my bin in the freezer, and I'll be roasting those with some onions for one of the pizzas. And in the course of pulling out the chicken, I found this pumpkin pie filling. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I just have too much filling for my pie crust, especially if I use a store-bought crust, which they were on a BOGO. So at the time I got the BOGO of the pie crust, I saw these mini pie crusts, and I'm like, wait a second, pumpkin pie, mini pies, and I have a ton of whipped cream left over, so yes, that sounds downright delicious. It's football Sunday, my Chiefs are coming on at 4:30. I'm gonna get this stuff going, and then I'm gonna work on my pantry clean out. So here's my tray of veg that's going in the oven to roast for one of the pizzas. And I found something out today about myself, and that is I prefer to use the minced garlic in the jar. I had bought a couple small bags of fresh garlic, heads, I guess you call them. And I'd only used one out of the 4 heads, which was probably right after I bought it, and who knows how long ago that was. I'm going to say at least 2 months ago. So out of the 3 heads that were left, I managed to salvage maybe 1 head total, and most of that was from the center. So I won't be buying any more of that, you guys. And the second thing I'm finding out about myself today is that I need to do a better job of reading all the words on the package of whatever it is I'm buying. These little mini pie crusts, one, I expected they would be in the little individual pie crust forms already, but no. This is where the reading part comes in. Contains 2 sheets of 7 mini pie crusts. Well, that's their idea of a sheet of mini pie crusts. And I haven't rolled it out yet because it's still thawing, but I'm here to tell you, I don't see any perforations readily visible through the package. Not that I'm above using a glass or a cookie cutter, but I might as well have just bought a regular pie crust, right? And then the other thing is, they say mini, right? Mini, but apparently they mean regular muffin tin size, not actual mini muffin tin size. And I guess if I'm cutting my own, I can make them whatever size I want, but a word up to the wise there, don't bother with these. Lesson learned. Here's a finished pizza. It's chicken bacon ranch on one side, roasted veggie on the other. It was a big hit. The YAs love the little pumpkin pies. This one's barbecue chicken and plain cheese on the other half, and then I made some roasted chicken out of a bag. Thanks for watching.